Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I wasn't sure if I was going to film this video just because, I mean, it may end up not being entertaining, but I'm just so excited for this. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Just simple as that. I just cut my computer on. I love his makeup. I love his products. His liquid lipsticks are probably the best ever. I just got my first eyeshadow palette from him. I really want the blood sugar one that came out last year when it comes back in stock. I really, really want that. But he announced that he was doing like a Valentine's Day like mystery box thing. And I've never done any of his mystery boxes before, but you know what? Damn it all, this time I was gonna do it. So I ordered myself one of the mystery boxes. If any of you were part of that whole experience of getting the mystery boxes, I don't know about y'all, but your girl was really, really worried she wasn't gonna get one. There were two different price ranges. There was a premium mystery box and a deluxe mystery box. The premium mystery box was $40 and the deluxe was like $75. You had no idea what you're gonna get. You knew that it could fall within certain products, like the premium box may include da-da-da-da-da. The deluxe box may include the same items plus some more. And so I got the premium box. I didn't get the deluxe box just because I think the two extra products that may have been in there were either like lip liners or clothing, and I didn't want either of those. So I got the $40 box and it has already arrived. This literally, what? It happened Thursday, I think? What was January 30th? Was that Thursday? I don't know. Today's Saturday, the 2nd. Yeah, no, Wednesday. It was Wednesday, January 30th, and it's February 2nd, Saturday, and I've already gotten it. So we are gonna open this, maybe fun, entertaining, I don't know. I have no idea what's in here, but I am excited. So let's go ahead and open this up. Open up, I just want you. I want you to want me. Oh, I was opening it the wrong way. I need you to need me. I'm begging you to beg me. Okay, in true Jeffree Star form, it's looking like a Valentine's Day. We pull this down. Oh, Lord of mercy, I got, oh, Lord. Oh. All right. So, yo, the exclusive accessory is a pop socket. I am amped for that. Look at it. Oh my God, it's so cute. All right, so I opened this sucker up. And again, the premium, I've got the graphic over here so that I can see what the premium one had. So the premium one may include liquid lipstick, lip ammunition, highlighters, and exclusive accessory. May include, that doesn't guarantee. So I'm gonna assume this is the exclusive accessory, which is a Jeffree Star Popsocket. I mean, hell freaking yeah. So, just looking at this, I see that we have a skin frost. Ooh, and it's a color I don't have. We have a skin frost, we have 3 liquid lipsticks, and a lip ammunition. So, I am really excited for this. Let's go with the skin frost first. Skin frost was his like original highlighter. He's got several different highlighters now, but his skin frost was the original one, and this one is in Regina George. First of all, can we see how pink I am? I mean, pink and black, but whatever. My eyeshadow is pink today. My hair has gone pinkish, and Regina George is a very pink highlighter. So, and I don't have it. Let's open it up. Regina George. Also, I'm like a huge Mean Girls fanatic. I mean, my name is Gretchen. Hi, Gretchen Wieners. Look how pink it is. Oh my God. See, I have, is it Peach Goddess? Pink Goddess? I don't remember. I have that one and it's like a pale pink. This is like a pink pink. This is like, hello, how you doing? Let's do a swatch. Oh, look at that pink. Man, that would have been good for me to wear today. But you can see, it's very pink. All right, so far, I mean, so far this is going good. I'm already enjoying this mystery stuff. So let's pull out the lip ammunition next because I've got 3 liquid lipsticks and 1 lip ammunition. So let's see what the ammunition is. Now I've got pink everywhere. So the lip ammunition, there must have been a pink theme going on because the lip ammunition is Jeffree's girl. And if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure that's a pink one too. I only have 2 lip ammunitions. I usually go for the liquid lipstick, but yes, this was his lip ammunition. Oh yeah, that's some pink stuff. That's really pink, like really pink. Normally I'm not like that kind of pink when it comes to makeup, except for today. I obviously said F that. That actually would go with like everything going on right now with my aesthetic. I'm really excited about that. I don't know how often I'll wear that, just because pink, like pink lipstick doesn't always look good on me, but I'm always willing to try. All right, so now for the liquid lipsticks. We have, wow, 3 I don't have. I'm blown away. These are the 3. There's a pink theme going on in this box. These were from his Christmas collection, winter collection just this past year. And then this one, I want to say was a summer item. Maybe not, I can't remember. But we'll open this one first because it goes along with the pink theme. And this one is watermelon soda. I do not have this one. I looked at it when it first came out and I almost got it. We are quite pink. Actually, that's more like coral. I actually really like that one. That's a pretty summer one. It's that one. I really like that. That's a really good summer one. I want to say that was part of a summer collection, but I can't remember that one. All right, so then the 2 part of the winter Christmas collection, whatever, are Clout and Can't Relate. I actually looked at getting Clout and I didn't get that. I can't remember which one I got now, but I looked at it and it's kind of like a lavendery color, and then Can't Relate is a nude. So let's open Clout first. I just like saying the word Clout. So-and-so did that for Clout. Clout, 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 Clout. All right, so that is it in its packaging. Holographic, kind of. It's also kind of sheer, so maybe it could go with something else. That's it right there, and that is in the color Clout. I like that. I'm all for trying fun, new, bright, bold colors, so that's really pretty. I'm really amped for that. And then the last item is Can't Relate. Again, it's like a nude. At least that's what the color on the outside looks like. I really did enjoy that for this collection. He like went very glittery, very holographic, just very pretty, very holiday-esque. But see, it's like a shimmery nude. I'm not a beauty guru. I don't know terminology. Rats. Oh, wow. Whoa, that's like, that might be my new favorite nude. And there is Can't Relate. I like that a lot. And it's interesting, like the bottle, it looks shimmery, glittery, blah, blah, blah. But then when it's actually on the skin, it's not so much. Which is fine by me. I'm all for trying bold, bright new things, but maybe take it a step at a time. So that is Can't Relate. So, in conclusion, from my premium Valentine's Day Jeffree Star mystery box, I got a skin frost, a lip ammunition, 3 liquid lipsticks, and a Jeffree Star Popsocket. I mean, for $40, I'm thrilled with what I got. I am so excited about those. I'm really excited about the highlighter because even though it seems very pink, I have an aesthetic going right now. Even though it seems very pink, I feel like if you work it enough, it won't be like, there it is. I don't know what it looks like on camera right now, but I feel like it's not gonna be like, wha-bam in your face, but it'll still be noticeable. It's kind of what I was going with my hair. Like, it's not like wha-bam in your face, but it's still like, oh, she got some pink tips going on. But yeah, so those are the liquid lipsticks and the lip ammunition, the highlighter, and I'm really excited about the Popsocket. Like, I like Popsockets. And so now that I have a Jeffree Star one, I'm really excited about that. But that is my mystery box unboxing. If you got a box yourself, let me know in the comments below what items you got. I think these mystery boxes are kind of fun. I almost wish I got a deluxe one now, just because I'd like to see what the shirt looked like or what kind of lip liner I may have gotten, blah, blah, blah. But I like this. This is a lot for $40. I mean, Jeffree Star takes care of his fans and his customers. Like, his stuff is amazing. If you've never tried it before, please go buy yourself a liquid lipstick or a highlighter because they're the best things ever. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed something like this or just it in general, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys. Now I'll never be able to get this stuff off. It's like stuck to my hand forever. That good.